very first time I am trying all of these food. This is chicken biryani, butter chicken. This is I ordered the tandoori chicken, but they didn't have it, so he gave me the chicken tikka kebab. I hope I'm saying it right. And I have the naan here. So, and some lemon water. And they have the sauces. And I think these are the rice. How do you know he'll give me so much rice? Oh Lord. Okay, so I don't need all these rice. Cause I got rice in here too. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm like, oh Lord. I smell this. It smells spicy. This is one I'll be feeling to try the chicken biryani. Oh, okay. I have a unique smell. So let's get into this food and see how it tastes. And I'm gonna be honest, if I don't like it, I don't like it. Okay? Don't come for me because I don't like y'all food. I'm Jamaican, so I'm just trying something new. Alright, so I feel like I want to try this first. What's chicken in there? Oh, of course it's chicken in there. Okay. Can't go wrong with chicken. So alright, I want to try the naan with this. I think that's what they eat it with. The naan. It smells like I feel like I smell why I feel like I smell banana. Let me try with this with the butter chicken. Here it goes. Oh God, the grease. Damn. That was sauce. Oh, that sauce. I'll get the chicken in here. No, you eat it with this or this. Put it in here. Yep. I have the sauce. The sauce tastes so good. I didn't know they was gonna give me all this rice. For somebody that's trying to fill up rice, I got a lot of rice today. This tastes good too. That bread gonna fill me up quick. I don't eat too much bread. Couldn't even eat with Q. think I should put the sauce on there. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try it though. I'm gonna try a little piece, a little part with the sauce. Let's see how it tastes with it. Cause I'm gonna pour the whole sauce over it and then I don't like it. I'll put it in the city. A couple of blocks on my job. I don't like that. Is this ranch? I should have knew it was ranch. It tastes like ranch. I don't know what sauce this is. It tastes like it. It's probably not ranch, but I gotta taste it. I'm just gonna eat it with this myself. Let's try them. Come on. Of course. Oh, this, I think this is supposed to be, oh yeah, this is supposed to be on the salad, right? I don't want to rinse it in my mouth. Okay. This is the, I don't like the sauce on the rice. Not bad. Got a whole chicken in there, a whole leg in there. The heck was that? Like spice. Oh, no, that's it. Did I show y'all this? I don't remember if I show y'all. So, there's a lot of chicken in there. Let's try this again. I like this. The naan, I like this with the butter chicken. That's my favorite so far. But the butter chicken sauce tastes so good to me. I'm about to put some of this on this rice. I'm about to put some of the butter chicken on this rice right here. It tastes good. It's a little bit greasy though. I'm gonna put some of the butter sauce on here. I like the sauce. I read a video that I see the Indians eating the food they hand, but I see some videos they eat with utensils, and he did give me utensils, so. Damn, I'm getting full quickly. So quick. It's spicy too. Okay, with the rice. I don't know if I'm missing a seafood thing. Let me see. Is that with the rice? No, let me do this. I love the sauce. These are big. There's two of them they gave me. It was $1. They big. Okay. Hey, apple pie. What for? I didn't even touch the white rice, but I'm gonna try it with this sauce. I think this was supposed to eat with this, the butter chicken and the white rice. Yep, I saw pictures. Maybe I'll check a look. So look, but let's see how it tastes with the white rice. The basmati rice. Got a lot of herbs and stuff in here. I never tasted before. So, he made it on my face because I got a butter chicken with this rice. These two are my favorite. Full. I can't force myself to eat them. I am full. The water is not no taste fresh, but I barely ate. I ate most of this. This is what I ate. See, it's like half. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave some comments below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.